Question 1. This question is a solution question. We can recognize it because it asks us for a list of the pieces on the CD in the order that they come in. With a solution, apply the rules one at a time to the answer choices, crossing out any that violate those rules. We have 3 rules. The first rule said that S had to be in front of V, which is going to eliminate answer choice D because V is in front of S, and that's about it. The second rule was the one about T not being allowed to be in between R and S. So if we look down, that's going to eliminate answer choice A because T is in between R and S. And it's going to eliminate answer choice E, the same reason, T is in between R and S. That leaves one rule and one thing left to eliminate. The third rule is the one that says W can't be between R and T. Answer choice C violates that, so then that means that by default, answer choice B must be our answer. So we go to the next question.